Have you ever thought about starting your own trucking business? The open road, the freedom of choosing your routes, and the thrill of building something from the ground up? Well, today we're going to explore just how you can make that dream a reality. First things first, do your homework. Understand the industry, the demand, the challenges, and the competition. A solid knowledge base will provide a strong foundation for your business. Trucking isn't just about driving, it's about logistics, planning, and problem solving. Now, you've done your research. What's next? Create a comprehensive business plan. This isn't just a document for potential investors, it's your roadmap to success, outlining your business's mission, goals, target market, and financial projections. It's where you define what success looks like for your trucking business. Once you've got your plan, it's time to get your hands on some capital. You'll need to purchase or lease trucks, secure a business location, pay for licenses and permits, and cover other startup costs. Explore all your options: bank loans, leasing options, even crowdfunding. Remember, this is an investment in your future. With funds secured, now it's time to get legal. Register your trucking business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. This includes a U.S. DOT number and a motor carrier, MC number from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. Don't forget about insurance. It's not just a good idea, it's a requirement. Now, let's talk about equipment. The quality and reliability of your trucks will directly impact your business's success. Whether you choose to buy or lease your trucks, make sure they're reliable, efficient, and suitable for the kind of hauling you'll be doing. You've got the plan, the money, the paperwork, and the equipment. Now you need customers. Marketing and networking are crucial in building a customer base. Create a professional website, leverage social media, attend industry events, and don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. And finally, hire a reliable and skilled team. From drivers to logistics managers, your staff is the backbone of your operation. Invest in training, offer competitive pay, and cultivate a positive company culture. Now let's recap. To start your own trucking business, you need to 1. Understand the industry. 1. Create a business plan. 3. Secure funding. 1. Register your business and secure necessary licenses and permits. 5. Obtain reliable trucks. 6. Market your business. 1. Hire a great team. Starting a trucking business is a journey, not a race. It requires planning, patience, and persistence. But the rewards can be great. The open road awaits. Good luck on your journey to becoming a trucking business owner.